Alright, here I'm working with some Chi Gong type exercises. The focus is on exploring range of motion and harmonizing different tension forces within the body. So you have these different systems in the body, different fascial planes and slings and connective tissue, and you're looking at exploring your joint range of motion, harmonizing tension. Just for health and vitality, making excuse me, sure that everything's working correctly, that you have good function and flow. Right here, I'm performing a serving teacup exercise. The idea is you're visualizing you're holding a cup of tea in each hand or in a saucer, and you do not want to spill that tea, so the palm faces up at all times. A great functional range of motion exercise for the shoulders, for the elbows, for the hips, knees, ankles. You feel this movement all the way from the floor, from your toes, connection to the ground, all the way to the tips of your fingers and base of your skull through your spine. Movements utilizing that inner connection feeling that we were working on in the Qigong exercises, harmonizing tension, focused awareness on the balance points or center of gravity in the body, and then just trying to find connection and stability through dynamic motion, through the changing balance points of the body, through shifting and torque tension and extension and energy propagation. Okay, a large focus of these types of movements is to really develop a sense of tension and connection with your body. So exploring joint range of motion, feeling muscular tension, feeling fascial tension, feeling how energy propagates through the body. What range of motion do you have on each joint? How is that feeling when harmonized or synchronized with other joints and the tension moves across muscles and ligaments and connective tissue? And it's a sensory feedback exercise. You're doing these movements to get sensory feedback and also to try smooth out the connections between the different systems within the body. Get them to harmonize, get them to flow, and this will give you good function, vitality, health, and allow you to be more effective in your movement.